That is why we believe that fairness in handling claims is not merely good practice, it's a fundamental to the credibility of the industry. As a newly licensed claims specialist, ICSG Limited makes 5 clear commitments. The first one is independence and integrity. Every assessment will be based on evidence. Every conclusion will be professionally grounded. Every assignment will be handled with improper influence. We recognize that in claim works, credibility is everything. If stakeholders cannot trust the assessment, they will struggle to trust the process. That is why independence and integrity will remain at the heart of our work. Number 2 is efficiency without compromise. Claims must be handled promptly, but speed must never replace quality. There is no value in a fast process that leads to poor judgment. There is no value in a rush reporting that creates confusion or dispute. We will therefore pursue structured workflows, timely inspections, and clear reporting timelines while maintaining strong technical standards. We believe that efficiency and quality must go together. And we believe that policyholders and insurers alike deserve both. Number 3 is regulatory alignment and technical excellence. Our work will align with the demand of IFRS 17, internal controls, and risk-based supervision. This means that we will pay close attention to methodology. We pay close attention to documentation. We pay close attention to consistency, clarity, and professionalism in reporting. Because in today's insurance environment, technical excellence is no longer an optional. It is necessary for credibility. It is necessary for governance. It is necessary for confidence. Number 4 is dignity and clear communication. Every claim filed represents a human experience, a loss, a setback, a disruption. Sometimes even a period of grief, uncertainty, or financial strain. That is why we are committed to treating every claimant and every stakeholder with respect, clarity, and professionalism. Technical skills matters, but so does communication. Because people need to understand the process. They need to know what is required. They need to feel heard. And they need to see the system is being administered fairly. And the last one is contribution to market sanitization. Through proper verification, fraud detection, and consistent assessment standards, we aim to support a healthier and more sustainable insurance market. A strong claim system must protect genuine claimants, but must also guard against abuse. Fraud, exaggerations, and unsupported claims weaken the market for everyone. They increase costs. They distort confidence. And they undermine fairness. So market sanitization is not simply a regulatory slogan. It is an essential part of sustaining the insurance pool and protecting the interest of honest policyholders. Ladies and gentlemen, trust insurance cannot be built by one institution alone. It requires partnership. Partnership between regulators and industry. Partnership between insurer and service provider. Partnership between technical competence and ethical conduct. Partnership between market growth and market discipline. No single actor can do it alone. The regulator can set standards. The insurer can underwrite and pay valid claims. The broker can advise. The claim specialist can assess. But the overall confidence of the market depends on how all these functions work together. That is why partnership matters so much. ICSG Limited fully aligned itself with the strategic direction of the National Insurance Commission towards market sanitization, innovation, and better consumer outcomes. Our ambition is not only to build a successful company, our ambition is to make a meaningful contribution, to help valid claims be honored, to help disputes be reduced, to help decisions be better informed, to help processes be more transparent, and to help confidence in insurance grow stronger. If there is one message that must remain with us today, is this: the future of insurance in Ghana will depend not only on innovation or capital or regulation, it will depend on trust. Trust that policies are meaningful. Trust that claims will be assessed fairly. Trust that laws will be verified professionally. Trust that the process will be transparent. Trust that in time of need, the industry will respond. Trust that trust cannot be demanded. It must be built. It must be earned. And it must be protected. It is built in the everyday decision of professionals. It is built in the conduct of firms. It is built in the fairness of processes. It's built in the clarity of communication. And it's built in the confidence that policyholders feel when they are treated with seriousness, honesty, and respect. That is the kind of industry Ghana deserves. And that is the kind of contribution ICSG Limited hopes to make. Abrakwa Abia the Fourth, Akwamu Akobia Hema. Honorable Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, today marks the beginning of a journey of service, a journey of responsibility, and a journey of commitment to excellence. Ghana insurance industry has great potential. It is growing, it is evolving, and it has even a greater opportunity to earn deeper public trust. ICSG Limited is proud to be part of that journey. We stand ready to serve. We stand ready to support. And we stand ready to contribute to an insurance market that is stronger, fairer, more transparent, and more trusted. Thank you once again for your presence. Thank you for your support. And thank you for sharing in this important moment with us. May the work we begin today help strengthen confidence in insurance and contribute to a more resilient future for Ghana. May it also contribute to a market in which professionalism is respected, fairness is visible, and the promise of insurance is more fully realized for all. God bless you all. God bless the insurance industry. And God bless our beloved mother Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Mr. CEO. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, invite the Deputy Minister for Energy, the Honorable Richard Jan Mensah, to deliver his address as well. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you very much. This morning, I actually am also representing the Deputy Minister for Finance, who is supposed to be here. But we also have a meeting at 11, and he is chairing. So we both came around, and he has to leave so that he takes the seat. Then I join him later. So on this note, I am actually seeking your permission on his behalf. Nana and distinguished personalities here, especially those from the insurance fraternity, management and board of ICSG Limited, captains of industry, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am honored to join you this morning for the grand opening of ICSG Company Limited and the commencement of its operation. I congratulate the board and the management and everyone whose vision and efforts made this initiative possible. Establishing a new company, especially in the insurance sector, is more than starting a business. It has introduced a new institution of confidence. You also introduced a new institution of protection and partnership to our economy. I am pleased to witness this milestone, and I believe you are all pleased to be part of this journey. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, this occasion is meaningful to me both as a deputy minister and through my professional experience. Before entering politics in 2021, I spent many years in the private sector, particularly in the financial and operational roles in the automobile and then petroleum industry. And during this time, I gained a practical understanding of the vital relationship between businesses and the insurance sector, particularly the brokerage firms and the insurance companies themselves. And through financial administration, asset protection, claims management, and risk assessment, it became clear that insurance is central to sustainability, confidence, and long-term business growth. Today, I speak not as a government representation, but also as someone who, through industry experience, understands the value of responsible, credible, and innovative insurance sector. However, I have witnessed instances where the promptness with which insurance companies pursue their premiums is not the same as how they pay claims. Obviously, because maybe you and I don't even know how to go for our claims. There's been instances where people have been involved in accidents, have insurance, but have fallen on families and friends to even take care of their hospital bills. So ICSG coming in at this time with a target to help with claims management, I think it has come at the right time, and we should all uphold them. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a strong financial service sector is essential for thriving economy, and the robust insurance institutions are key part of the foundation. Insurance promotes enterprise, encourages investment, provides families with security, and strengthens commercial transactions. It is a quiet enabler of national development. As Ghana builds a more resilient and sustainable economy, especially in the energy sector, institutions like ICSG Limited are essential. Our future depends on companies that are innovative, trustworthy, customer-focused, and responsive to emerging risk. Businesses now face both traditional and evolving risk. Businesses now face both traditional and evolving challenges and risks and business risks, including conflicts, climate events, and market volatility, making insurance more relevant than ever. I encourage ICSG Limited to position itself as a strategic partner in national development, not just as a conventional insurance brokerage or insurance claim firm, but also a firm that the ordinary Ghanaian who is having business can rely on. There are opportunities to develop products that support clean energy within the energy sector. There are also opportunities within the climate resilience and asset protection and tailored coverage for small and medium enterprises. The insurance sector must continue to evolve to meet the need of changing the economy. To the leadership of ICSG, your success will be measured by the trust you build. I heard the chief executive, all the good things that you have told us. We are all hoping and wishing you well. But I'm saying that your success will be measured by the trust you build. I have experiences in with some of the insurance companies or within the insurance sector. I always do not want to share. And I see there are a lot of Ghanaians who are very much not willing to insure because of some of the experiences that some of us have actually experienced, the experience we've had. When you share it, it doesn't encourage the businesses. We are hoping that you are going to do something that would build trust within the insurance sector. The speed and fairness of your claim process, the quality of your customer relationship, the professionalism of your staff, and the confidence of your brand, I believe will keep you in business for a very long time. If you remain committed to excellence and innovation and compliance to ethical services, you would also be able to stay in business for a very long time. I'm using all this for a very long time because people have started businesses like this, offered hope, but have delivered something that is not hopeful. But I'm very hopeful that as a young man coming up with this innovative idea, especially to handle our claims within the insurance sector, professionalism would keep you in business. I am confident you will earn a respected place in Ghana's insurance industry when you are able to put all these virtues in place. To all the stakeholders that we find ourselves here, whether from the banking sector, from the business sector, I urge you that let's collaborate with this institution that today we are all going to outdoor. I want to use this occasion to once again congratulate you, my MD, and the whole team, and tell you that the people of Ghana, we are willing to work with you. We also expect you to do what we as business people want from you. I thank you for this great opportunity, and I wish you a very successful business. And also want to take this opportunity to, if everything is not ended, I was told I was supposed to stay, but as I indicated in my earlier submission, we have a meeting, so I may not stay to the end. So on this note, I want to officially, with the permission of the board and everyone here, open ICSG Limited to the people of Ghana. Help us to reclaim our claims. I'll be one of your first customers. I have a claims with one of the insurance company. They have not paid, so I'll fall on you. When I get the money, my brother Otin is also ready to take his share. Thank you so much for the opportunity.
Thank you very much, Honorable Deputy Minister for Energy and Green Transitions. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to invite Honorable William Date to deliver a brief address as well.
Nana Hema, Honorable Deputy Minister, all other protocols observed. I'm also very honored to be here. I see ICSG as one of the innovative enterprise we are looking for in this time. In fact, listening to the CEO, I can fit into what we call in Ghana now the resetting agenda, because if you listen to him very well, you can see that he's trying to bring something like confidence in the insurance industry. He's talking of trust in the insurance industry. There are a lot of stories we can say to back these things. Once I was in a taxi going somewhere, a policeman stopped the taxi driver, checked his papers, and said, "Oh, your insurance is expired. The driver said, oh, yes, I know. Then he said, you know, but why would you redo it? He said, oh, wait, meaning it's just there. It doesn't do anything. We all do insurances, but sometimes to claim when you are affected in a way is very difficult. And for that matter, most of us have no trust in insurance in the country. I can say with confidence that most of us here might not even have insured our houses, unless maybe the cars that are mandatory, that one you will be asked to. But there are some personal properties that are so important to us and our families, but we will not insure just because there is no confidence in the sector. ICSG coming into the system, I'm very sure they are talking of confidence now. They are talking of building trust. And I also want to urge, this will need so much education because the vulnerable ones are down there. We can sit here, say all the good things, and look at the big guys who are always in this industry, but the vulnerable ones who might not even have the information, who might not know how to go about doing their claims, we need to do education to get them involved. At this juncture, I think I would like to congratulate the CEO and his management team for bringing this innovation into our system, and I want to wish them a very much success in our system. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Honorable William Date. Ladies and gentlemen, I shall now invite Nanahima of Akwamu to give us a brief solidarity message.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's unfortunate that I have not been informed so that I can address, but to my experience, I'll say a little. We thank God for all what we are seeing now, and I wish him all the best and success. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. The organizers want us to give you a brief cultural performance, and so we shall invite the cultural troupe to give us a brief cultural performance to energize us a bit. If we are not fasting, it means we are not hungry, so maybe we're just bored. So some dancing and music should do the magic. Let's give him a round of applause. All right, thank you very much. That was a beautiful one. Nana Hima, thank you for that one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll now invite the Director of Finance at the Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel Development Corporation, Mr. Prince Ofosu Bakon.
Thank you. Hello, and good morning. Good morning. Normally, what I do at forums like this is to tell all that has been said, especially the key issues in the local language. But today, looking at the people seated around, I think it's good I make it brief and simple. A lot has been said for the issues of insurance, especially with claims aspect. It's all about professionalism and the site of building trust in the claimants. And all of these have been mentioned from the CEO's delivery, from the Deputy Minister's delivery, from the CEO of Ghana Integrated Iron and Steel. Everything about trust, especially when it comes to claims, has been said. And in Ghana, trust in insurance is an issue, especially at the informal sector. In the 2023 report of the National Insurance Commission, all the issues they had that were reported, 40% of that were relating to claims, grievances. And for a business like ICSG to come into such a sector, an interface is created to at least reduce that level of mistrust in the insurance system. And a little bit that I can add to all that has been mentioned already. As I said, looking at the level of people seated here, is to urge the company and the business leadership to try and innovatively put in connectivities that thrives on digital systems in order to be able to build stronger connections with people. This is expected to reduce the list of paperwork that usually comes when claim is announced. Now, even with the advent of Ghana Card, we still have insurance companies, when it comes to claims, asking for all sorts of documentation. Please report house location, where did the accident occur, your ID card, and all sorts of things. It's about time that we interconnect and use the digital systems available to us to build the network that we have. The claim system, as earlier mentioned, must be well organized by way of information to especially the informal sector to build the slow pace of our insurance growth in Ghana, so as by doing so through promoting lots of trust in the claims system. A competent system, a good engine to reduce the inconveniences when it comes to claims is what matters. And I think this business is well placed to at least build the trust that is expected by the Ghanaian market as far as claims is concerned. For a claim professional, you are more closer to the claimant than even the insurer. So I pray and hope that this business introduction will be one that will come to add to the great expectations in terms of development of our country at large. May God continue to protect the business. Amen.
May God continue to protect the business. Another amen. Amen. Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I'd like to invite the CEO once again to give us his concluding remarks. CEO is outside. Bono. COO, okay, to give us the concluding remarks. After that, I'm told that we're going to move to another location to do the sword cutting for the company. So yes, round of applause for COO, please.
Abroad, honorable ministers, representative of National Insurance Commission and distinguished guests, industry leaders in insurance and reinsured, colleagues, partners, ladies and gentlemen. As we draw this remarkable occasion to a close, I stand before you filled with gratitude and hope. Your presence here today has not only honored us, but it has also infused us with warmth, meaning, spirit of shared purpose. Today is more than just the unveiling of the ICSG Limited. It is the birth of a vision of independence, fairness, integrity in service, the beginning of a journey we are privileged to embark on. Upon the company of such esteemed leaders and partners, we extend our deepest appreciation to the National Insurance Commission for the confidence placed in us. That trust will be repaid in diligence, professionalism, unwavering commitment. To Nana, honorable ministers, and all distinguished guests, your encouragement, your will, and you will remain a source of strength as we move forward. Our pledge is clear. ICSG Limited will serve with independence, act with fairness, and contribute to claims process that restores confidence and strengthens insurance industry. We believe that what begins here today will ripple out, helping build a stronger, more transparent, and more trusted insurance in Ghana. Let us remember that insurance is not merely about policies and claims. It's about people, about promises, and about confidence that tomorrow can be faced with courage. Together, we can shape industry that truly serves, protects, and uplifts. And so, as we close, we do so with faith and determination. May God bless you all. May God bless the work of our hands. May God bless insurance industry. May God bless our beloved Ghana. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much, COO of ICSG. At this juncture, we have made provisions for a car outside for those of us who did not drive here who would want to go witness the sword cutting. And so maybe Bright, you'd want to stand up so they see you and follow you. So we're all going to move out, follow Bright outside, and then would go to the venue where the sword cutting is happening. Thank you so much.
Madrina minti asieda. Madrina mi unumo. Adriana obiato. Anase obi beto. Anase obi gusuto. Enenam kwan so bano. Atreshe hu dada.
Come in. Omuto special. The whole Japan online.
Kwan so bano. Obiato me kare.
Yes, sir. Many of them. Good afternoon. Maybe I'm a call. Maybe I'm a call. Yeah, and I just say, oh, na every a new dim commoca. Yeah, but the other band I would in has a ring. Mutu. Okay. But on a course saying, a quay as a Ghana de Angasa. Papa, I did my any hay, Pacho, then I will catch home.
Oh, you know, I'm going to come and
Omoa has or moon, my
once I come to Gambrasi. Nobody be a most special last Sundays of every month.
Okay.
Yeah, a good one. This is my second time I have.
Oh, second time. That's okay. Okay. 80. Okay.
Got to be a Subiamba nobody be.
Okay. Nene aje pasa waba. Intise no okano. Ya medu ha no. Moma yenya na nyentie na yemra na koso ankasa. DJ boy Ghana nyom na omumfili. Ya papa ba ko nso wa ha. O wie ni de ha no no. Papa Pacho, good afternoon.
Fine.
Pacho bi aboko. Pacho unso enani de dika wo ba na.
Oh, David, we talk about what's that? Mutu special the second time.
Second time. Oh, okay. Now Papa Pacho who is saying?
Oh, it's good. It's good, but
okay.
We are ready.
Okay. Ghana for money now, Masumu Bacho, Momra, and Mutu special, a course Sabria. You will have from this time to Mama calls, and Tibrabedi, and Mutu Angasa, and then cutting quine the upon Chenam, and in the Ekunina, and Papa.
I come up.
Okay. And yeah, you will hire a tram, Momra.
Madrina minti asieta. Madrina mi unumo. Adriana Obiato.
Established in the year 1995, the Jospong Group of Companies has become a major source of innovation and sustainability across Africa. The group is dedicated to driving development across diverse sectors and has 76 subsidiaries with the vision of being the most successful holding company and a mission of improving the lives of people. The subsidiaries are categorized into 8 dynamic clusters to provide focused and efficient operations. The Environment and Sanitation Primary Cluster, the cornerstone of our operations. This cluster is vital for effective waste management and sanitation services across Africa. Leading this charge is Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, the largest waste management company in West Africa. From public cleansing to waste collection and transportation, we prioritize maintaining clean, healthy public spaces and promoting sustainable living. Our waste collection services span residential and commercial sectors, employing cutting-edge technology and skilled personnel for efficient, eco-friendly operations. Emerging from this foundation is the Environment and Sanitation Processing Cluster. Key companies like Integrated Recycling and Compost Plant, IRECOP, Accra Compost and Recycling Plant, ACAP, Kumasi Compost and Recycling Plant, K-Carp, engage in sorting waste into organic, plastic, and combustible materials. Sewerage Systems Ghana Limited treats and transforms wastewater into usable components. From these, we produce compost, recycled plastics, and alternative fuels, and enhancing resource efficiency. This cluster is also home to our unique medical waste facilities, which uses a microwave technology to process medical waste, safeguarding public health and safety. Others include Zoil Services, Dredge Masters, and Zoom Lion Waste Transfer Stations. Our waste-to-energy initiatives focus on harnessing advanced technologies to transform municipal solid waste, organic waste, and other biodegradable materials into renewable energy sources such as electricity and heat. By capturing methane from waste decomposition and reducing landfill dependency, we are significantly lowering greenhouse gas emissions while promoting energy self-sufficiency across Africa. The Technical and Logistics Cluster encompasses businesses involved in manufacturing, automobile services such as sales and servicing of heavy-duty and light-duty vehicles, and logistical operations. It also supports sectors such as ports and logistics services. It further undertakes industrial and logistical activities, ensuring seamless service delivery across multiple sectors. Commercial and Allied Services Cluster is skilled in customer-facing operations, which includes multimedia and hospitality services. By providing a comprehensive suite of services, it enhances operational efficiency and supports the group's diverse business activities. In here, we have companies such as AH Hotel and Conference, with unique setting for any local and international meetings. KNUST Africa Institute of Sanitation and Waste Management, which is a capacity building initiative in collaboration with KNUST, as well as Appointed Time Printing Limited, leading in cutting-edge technology in printing services, including corrugated packaging initiatives. A media group, Ignite Media, which is made up of Metro TV, Original TV, and Original FM. The Financial Services Cluster provides a comprehensive range of financial solutions supporting the group's diverse financial needs. Key companies include Omnibisic Bank, Millennium Insurance for General Insurance, Cosmopolitan Health Insurance, Kimpton Trust for Pensions Trust, Union Capital for Venture Capital, and other investments and various digital payment platforms. This cluster offers financial stability and growth opportunities underpinning the group's broad array of business activities. Information and Communications Technology Cluster focuses on three main areas: device assembly, software development and data science, fintech and cybersecurity. The group aims to become the business efficiency solutions provider in Ghana. Agriculture and Agribusiness Cluster focuses on reinforcing agricultural productivity and food security. African Agribusiness Consult, AAC, the key player in this cluster, is predominantly involved in the cultivation of rice and other grains, alongside various other farming activities. By leveraging advanced agricultural techniques, this cluster collaborates with scientists from various institutions to enhance crop yields and quality, contributing significantly to food security in the region. The Property and Real Estate Cluster addresses the growing demand for housing and infrastructure, involved in developing innovative real estate projects that enhance living and working environments. This cluster ensures sustainable and resilient urban growth, meeting the needs of modern urbanization. International operations underscores our ambition to expand across Africa and beyond, with footprints in Asia and America, driving global partnerships and international business development. The Jospon Group of Companies is dedicated to driving sustainable development and innovation across Africa. As we continue to grow, we remain steadfast in our commitment to making a positive impact on society and the environment.
Jospon Group of Companies, fostering sustainable development through partnership.
Madrina minti asieda. Madrina mi unumo. Adriana obiato. Anase obi beto. Anase obi gusuto. Enenam kwan so bano. Atreshe ho dada.
Come in. Omuto special. The whole Japan online.
Kwan so bano. Obiato me kare.
Yes, sir. Many abema. Good afternoon. Maybe Aboko. Bibi Aboko. Yeah, any I just say, oh, Hane, na Ebezi and Udin Komokaka. Yeah, Bajo, the Anibena Udin has a ring. Mutu. Okay. Bajona a coursing. Ekoye pa. As a Ghana de Angasa. Papa. I did any hey, Pacho, Diana Okachom.
Oh, you know, I'm going to say,
Omoa so moon, my.
Once I'm coming to Biambrasi. Nobody be a most special last Sundays of every month.
Okay.
Yeah, a good one. This is my second time I have.
Oh, second time. That's okay. Okay. 80. Okay.
Got to be as Biambra nobody be.
Okay. Nenia je pasa waba. Intise no okano. Yeah, medu ha no. Moma yenya na nyenti na yemra na kɔ so ankasa DJ boy yɛ Ghana nnwom na ɔmo mfili yɛ papa baako nso wɔ ha owie ne deɛ ano no Papa Mpacho, good afternoon.
Fine.
Mpacho bi abɔkɔ Mpacho nso ɛnɛ ne dɛ dika wo ba na
Oh David we talk about almost started much special the second time.
Oh okay now Papa Mpacho who is saying
oh it's good. It's good, but
okay. Okay. Ghana for money now, Masumu Bacho, Momra, and Mutu special. I course Sabria. You will have from this time to Mama calls and Tibrabe Didi and Mutu Angasa, and in cutting quine the upon Chenam and in the Ekunina, Papa.
Come up,
okay. Yeah, you will hire a tram, Momra.
Established in the year 1995, the Jospon Group of Companies has become a major source of innovation and sustainability across Africa. The group is dedicated to driving development across diverse sectors and has 76 subsidiaries with the vision of being the most successful holding company and a mission of improving the lives of people. The subsidiaries are categorized into 8 dynamic clusters to provide focused and efficient operations. The Environment and Sanitation Primary Cluster, the cornerstone of our operations. This cluster is vital for effective waste management and sanitation services across Africa. Leading this charge is Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, the largest waste management company in West Africa. From public cleansing to waste collection and transportation, we prioritize maintaining clean, healthy public spaces and promoting sustainable living. Our waste collection services span residential and commercial sectors, employing cutting-edge technology and skilled personnel for efficient, eco-friendly operations. Emerging from this foundation is the Environment and Sanitation Processing Cluster. Key companies like Integrated Recycling and Compost Plant, IRECOP, Accra Compost and Recycling Plant, ACAP, Kumasi Compost and Recycling Plant, K-Carb, engage in sorting waste into organic, plastic, and combustible materials. Sewerage Systems Ghana Limited treats and transforms wastewater into usable components. From these, we produce compost, recycled plastics, and alternative fuels, and enhancing resource efficiency. This cluster is also home to our unique medical waste facilities, which uses a microwave technology to process medical waste, safeguarding public health and safety. Others include Zoil Services, Dredge Masters, and Zoom Lion Waste Transfer Stations. Our waste-to-energy initiatives focus on harnessing advanced technologies to transform municipal solid waste, organic waste, and other biodegradable materials into renewable energy sources such as electricity and heat. By capturing methane from waste decomposition and reducing landfill dependency, we are significantly lowering greenhouse gas emissions while promoting energy self-sufficiency across Africa. The Technical and Logistics Cluster encompasses businesses involved in manufacturing, automobile services such as sales and servicing of heavy-duty and light-duty vehicles, and logistical operations. It also supports sectors such as ports and logistics services. It further undertakes industrial and logistical activities, ensuring seamless service delivery across multiple sectors. Commercial and Allied Services Cluster is skilled in customer-facing operations, which includes multimedia and hospitality services. By providing a comprehensive suite of services, it enhances operational efficiency and supports the group's diverse business activities. In here, we have companies such as AH Hotel and Conference, with unique setting for any local and international meetings. KNUST Africa Institute of Sanitation and Waste Management, which is a capacity building initiative in collaboration with KNUST, as well as Appointed Time Printing Limited, leading in cutting-edge technology in printing services, including corrugated packaging initiatives. A media group, Ignite Media, which is made up of Metro TV, Original TV, and Original FM. The Financial Services Cluster provides a comprehensive range of financial solutions supporting the group's diverse financial needs. Key companies include Mensvic Bank, Millennium Insurance for General Insurance, Cosmopolitan Health Insurance, Kimpton Trust for Pensions Trust, Union Capital for Venture Capital, and other investments and various digital payment platforms. This cluster offers financial stability and growth opportunities, underpinning the group's broad array of business activities. Information and Communications Technology Cluster focuses on three main areas: device assembly, software development and data science, fintech and cybersecurity. The group aims to become the business efficiency solutions provider in Ghana. Agriculture and Agribusiness Cluster focuses on reinforcing agricultural productivity and food security. African Agribusiness Consult, AAC, the key player in this cluster, is predominantly involved in the cultivation of rice and other grains, alongside various other farming activities. By leveraging advanced agricultural techniques, this cluster collaborates with scientists from various institutions to enhance crop yields and quality, contributing significantly to food security in the region. The Property and Real Estate Cluster addresses the growing demand for housing and infrastructure, involved in developing innovative real estate projects that enhance living and working environments. This cluster ensures sustainable and resilient urban growth, meeting the needs of modern urbanization. International operations underscores our ambition to expand across Africa and beyond, with footprints in Asia and America, driving global partnerships and international business development. The Jospon Group of Companies is dedicated to driving sustainable development and innovation across Africa. As we continue to grow, we remain steadfast in our commitment to making a positive impact on society and the environment.
Jospon Group of Companies, fostering sustainable development through partnership.
Madrina minti asieda. Madrina mi unumo. Adriane obiato. Anase obi beto. Anase obi gusuto. Enenam kwan so bano. Atreshe ho dada.
Come in. Omuto special. The whole Japan online.
Kwan so bano. Obiato me kare.
Yes, sir. Many abema. Good afternoon. Maybe I'm a call. I am Yado, maybe I'm a call. Yeah, and I just say, oh, Hane, now ever see a new dim Komoka car. Yeah, but the other band I would in has a ring. Mutu. Okay. But on a course saying, a quay pa as a Ghana de Angasa. Papa, I did my any hay, Pacho, Diana Okacho.
Oh, you know, I'm going to
Omoa has or moon, my
once I'm coming to be Ambrasi. Nobody be a most special last Sundays of every month.
Okay.
Yeah, a good point. This is my second time I about.
Oh, second time. That's okay. Okay. 80. Okay.
Got to be a Subiamba nobody be.
Okay. Nene aje pasa waba. Intise no okano. Yeah, me do hano. Moma yenya na nyentie na yemra na koso ankasa DJ boy Ghana nyom na omumfili ya papa ba ko nso wa ha o wie ni de ano no Papa Pacho, good afternoon.
Fine.
Pacho bi aboko. Pacho also enani de dika obana.
Oh, David, we talk about most of the special the second time.
Second time. Oh, okay. Now Papa Pacho, what is saying?
Oh, it's good. It's good, but
okay. Okay. Ghana for money now, Masumu Bacho, Momra, and Mutu special, a course Sabria. You will have from this time to Mama calls, and Tibrabedi, and Mutu Angaza, and in cutting quine the dead upon Chenam, and in the Ekunina, and Papa.
Come up,
okay. Yeah, you will hire a tram, Momra.